Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by installing Teracopy and making it the handler for file transfers so you can replace Explorer copying seamlessly. Run the installer as administrator to allow shell integration, then launch Teracopy and set it as the default copy handler in Options. Once done, open a File Explorer window and select Files to copy. Right-click and choose Teracopy, or use Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V to queue transfers. This lets you start controlled, resumable copies immediately without extra configuration. Now you queue your transfer and configure verification and error handling to avoid data corruption. Drag files into Teracopy or choose Copy/Move from Explorer to add them, then enable Verify to check some copied files and set retry attempts for transient errors. Make sure to adjust buffer size for large files to optimize throughput and group small files into single jobs to reduce overhead. Once configured, hit Copy or Move. Teracopy will display progress, estimated time, and per files. To finish, verify that Teracopy reports all files as OK and inspect the built-in log for any warnings. This confirms data integrity. If files fail, click Retry or Fix to attempt recovery, and make sure destination drives are healthy. Run chkdsk or smart tests if errors persist. If shell integration causes Explorer problems, open Teracopy options and disable integration to revert behavior. Finally, make sure permissions and antivirus aren't blocking moves. Once cleared, rerun the job and confirm successful verification.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.